Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Jamaican seasoned rice, and I've got a list of ingredients over here that I'm going to use in my seasoned rice. No, I'm not going to add in any saltfish whatsoever because I don't eat saltfish. I'm just going to use vegetable and ackee. So I'm going to make Jamaican ackee seasoned rice. So guys, we're going to jump straight into the video. So over here, I've got some pumpkin. I prepped everything, guys. I've got some ackee. I've got some kale. I'm going to add it in. Mushrooms, tomato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, white onion, spring onion, thyme, yellow scotch bonnet pepper. Because I love my yellow scotch bonnet. And also got some garlic, 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna take you along with me, guys, and we're gonna get started. This is just a simple, easy, one pot Jamaican seasoned ackee seasoned rice, and it's gonna be good because we Jamaican love seasoned rice. All right, so let's get started, guys. So over here, guys, I've got my pot on, and I'm gonna add in my garlic to the pot. Yep. And we're gonna give it a stir. Make sure it does not burn or anything. You know, because you don't want your garlic to burn. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add the cherry tomato, bell pepper, fresh thyme, all of this, guys. I'm gonna, apart from the mushroom. So yes. So when you're cooking, guys, make sure your hand clean. You don't want to cook with no dirty hand. Make sure it's clean. So I'm gonna let that saute off, guys, before we add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm gonna add the pumpkin in, because the pumpkin it have to cook for a bit, guys, before I add the rest of the ingredients. So the kale is gonna be the last thing I put in the pot. So I'm just gonna put the lid on and low heat and let that steam for about 4 minutes before I put the rest of the ingredients in. So guys, I'm gonna add some pimento berries in there, and I'm also gonna add some salt, half a teaspoon of salt, because I'm gonna cook ackee, so I needed salt. And that's how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. It's on low heat and I allow it to steam so the pumpkin can cook. And this is the color. Yes, it's gonna make the seasoned rice pretty. You can add what substitute you like there. So I'm gonna add the mushroom. I'm gonna add the mushroom in there. Combine everything together. Well, I'm gonna go ahead, put back this on low heat while I go and wash my rice, because you have to wash rice. So now I'm gonna put the rice in the pot, guys. Yeah, just gonna put it in. And we're gonna add some, I put the ackee in also, because you don't want your ackee it to mash up, so you put it in the last. And then we're gonna add some water. I'm gonna put 1.5 cup of water in there. And I'm gonna allow that to cook, right? simple and easy one pot seasoned rice. So I'm gonna mix everything. Yes. Make sure everything is combined. Smells so good. Yes. The pumpkin and everything. And I'm also gonna top it off with the kale. Just gonna put the kale on top. I'm gonna pop the lid on, put the flame on low heat, and then allow it to steam. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how my rice looking at the moment. You can go ahead and fluff it out, but it's still on low heat. As I said in my previous video, that I do not put plastic bags or foil over my rice. I don't want them chemical. I just put it on low heat and let it steam and stay there and cook. We're just gonna give it a little taste, guys. Wow, look at that. Wow, tastes good. Tastes good, guys. So I'm just gonna let it stay on the heat for 2 more minutes, guys, and then yeah, you will see the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my Jamaican seasoned rice, ackee, pumpkin, mushroom, kale. Yes guys, tastes so good and it looks delicious. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss a video. Wanna go and stay healthy, stay safe, big up on yourself, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.